Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome back in SST class. Dear students, today's our topic is relief map of Pakistan. First of all, what is relief map? A map that uses different colors or textures to show the height or depth of mountains, hills and valleys. This is relief map of Pakistan. In this map, you can see that the northern parts are very high and colored with white. Northern parts are very high and colored with white because most of the year they are covered with snow. Most of the year they are covered with snow, as shown in this picture. Northern areas of Pakistan. Large parts of our country are deserts. Dotted parts shows the deserts. Dotted parts shows the deserts. In fact, only 1/3 of Pakistan is suitable for farming and most of that needs irrigation. Much of the northern and western parts consist of mountains. Most of the Pakistan fruit produced in Balochistan. सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रूट कहाँ पे होता है? बलोचिस्तान में. Such as apples, grapes, oranges and apricots. सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रूट पाकिस्तान में कहाँ पे होता है? बलोचिस्तान प्रोविंस में. जैसे कि एप्पल्स, ग्रेप्स, ऑरेंजेस एंड एप्रिकॉट्स. Western parts are very hot and vegetation is also very little. Rainfall is very little, therefore mostly western areas depend upon livestock. In the south are the deserts of Sindh and Balochistan, the third desert which extends far into India, and the third desert in the Indus Valley. Third desert and third desert. Northern areas of both Pakistan and India are the mountainous regions, example Himalaya, which merge into Karakoram and Hindu Kush. The highest point is Mount Everest in Nepal and it is 8,848 meters in height. Most populated province is Punjab and most agriculturally fertile area is Indus Valley. Homework is question 1. In which parts of Pakistan are the deserts located? Question 2. Write a detailed note on Mount Everest. See you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.